I think first things first, explore the device, with your rep before you even put it in a body, so you know how it feels. There's some uniqueness and characteristics to it. Overall, it's a device that you just want to get comfortable with. The simple locking and unlocking and taking it in and out. But overall, I mean, my tips are, in the straightforward cases, I don't find that there's too much to worry about. When you can cross fresh thrombus and with a pretty open vessel, deploying your funnels usually straightforward, and then performing your basket pulls is pretty straightforward. There's not much to it. It's as simple as that. When you have something that's a little bit more of a subacute occlusion that might be a little firmer with maybe a proximal or distal cap that you have to be mindful of, I believe in using IVUS to see exactly where you are, so that you're not pulling it through a subintimal space, and you know that you're in true lumen, and avoiding those kind of zones that you don't want to necessarily rough up with the product. Not that it causes trauma, but it's just good practice and habit. And then I also think that it's reasonable to sometimes even just create a little a channel and those types of vessels with a simple small balloon, just to allow better facility with the device. And you'll still get good apposition. I haven't had any problems with that, and good debulking of thrombus.
I think also starting, so say you're doing a SFA, starting from proximal to distal and doing short segments at a time. I usually divide the SFA in 3, so clearing proximal to distal in that manner, I think is prudent, and then leave the distal cap for last.